Okay, the diagnosis of acute appendicitis requires that we see neutrophils in the muscle layer. So, if you notice, this is the mucosa, this is the mucosa and submucosa, no? Na nag-blend eh. Pero this is the muscle layer, this portion. Okay. Yung muscle layer is infiltrated by a lot of neutrophils. Hindi masyadong maganda. Here, muscle to eh. Ito mga inflammatory cells yan. Yung mga yan. Meron pang isang appendicitis, yung liquefactive necrosis. Ibang slide ba yun? O ito rin yun? Yun ang mas maganda. Ito hindi masyado maganda to. But kung may tatanong sa inyo rito, congestion lang, active congestion. At malalaman naman yung active congestion nito, let's say yan ang nakapost. Kasi may inflammatory cells around this blood vessel, this capillary vessel. Yan sa inyo sa appendix. Hindi maganda itong appendix.